Hello my dear viewers, in this video we'll discuss about TET, gpstr, hstr or PU lecture CET exam purpose, very important MCQs from modern Indian history. So let us see one by one. The first question is, who among the following founded the Atmiya Sabha? Options here: Rajaram Mohan Roy, B. Swami Dayananda, C. Dadabhai Nauroji, D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who founded the Atmiya Sabha? So here, which is the right answer? Try to guess the right answer. So Atmiya Sabha founded by Rajaram Mohan Roy. Next question. The Vernacular Press Act 1878 was passed during the Viceroyalty of. Vernacular Press Act: Lord Curzon, Lord Lytton, Lord Ripon and Lord Canning. Okay, so the Vernacular Press Act in 1878 was passed during the which viceroy period? So the here right answer is Lord Lytton. Next question number 3. Who described the revolt of 1857 as the first war of independence? R.C. Majumdar, Savarkar, S.N. Sen, Lala Lajpat Rai. First war of independence. So here the right answer is B. Savarkar. V.D. Savarkar, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar described revolt of 1857 as the first war of independence. Next, the capital of the Bahmani kingdom was initially at Gulbarga, Bidar, Bijapur, Berar. Bahmani kingdom. So try to guess that answer. Initially, it means first. They founded the capital at which place? Gulbarga, Bidar, Bijapur, Berar. So here try to say the right answer. A. Gulbarga. Initially at Gulbarga. Next question number 5. The Hunter Commission 1882 was related to education, press, police, agriculture. Hunter Commission. Question number 5. The right answer is A. Education. This was related to education. Next question number 6. Which session of the INC adopted the Swaraj Resolution? Lahore 1929, Calcutta 1906, Nagpur 1920, Lucknow 1916. Indian National Congress adopted the Swaraj Resolution. Which session of the INC? So the question number 6, the right answer is B. Calcutta 1906. Swaraj Resolution. Then 7. The partition of Bengal was annulled in 1911, 1909, 1912, 1905. Partition of Bengal was annulled in. Question number 7. The right answer is A. 1911. Next, who started the newspaper Kesari? Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Subhas Chandra Bose. Question number 8. The right answer is newspaper Kesari. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He also started one more paper that was Maratha. Bal Gangadhar Tilak started the two paper. One is Maratha and second is Kesari. So these are the very important during independence period. So Maratha, that was in English language, and Kesari was in Maratha language. This is other information. Next, who was the founder of the Servants of India Society? Servants of India Society. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Annie Besant, Dadabhai Nauroji, Tilak. Question number 9. The right answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Servants of India Society. Next question number 10. The Rayatwari system was introduced by Lord Cornwallis, Thomas Munro, Warren Hastings, William Bentinck. Rayatwari system. Question number 10. The right answer is Thomas Munro. This is a very important question. Next question number 11. Dundee March began on 12 March 1930, 6 April 1930, 2 October 1930, 15 March 1930. This is also a very, very important question. In which year this was marched, Dundee March. So question number 11, the right answer is 12 March 1930, Dundee. Question number 12, the slogan "Do or Die" was given during in which movement? Non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, Khilafat movement. Do or Die slogan. This is a very popular slogan given during which movement? Question number 12, the right answer is C, Quit India movement. Next question number 13, who founded the Prarthana Samaj? R.G. Bhandarkar, Atmaram Panduranga, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Swami Vivekananda. Prarthana Samaj, very important question. Question number 13, the right answer is B, Atmaram Panduranga. Question number 14, the Ilbert Bill controversy happened during the rule of Ilbert Bill controversy. During the rule of Lord Ripon, Lord Curzon, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Hardinge. Question number 12, the right answer is question number 14, the right answer is A, Lord Ripon. Ilbert Bill controversy happened during Lord Ripon rule. Next number 15, who was the viceroy during the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Also very important question. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Lord Irwin, Lord Chelmsford, Lord Reading, Lord Curzon. Question 15, the right answer is Lord Chelmsford. During his parade, this was happened. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Lord Chelmsford. Next question number 16. Which Indian leader was called Grand Old Man of India? Tilak, Gokhale, Dadabhai Nauroji, S.N. Banerjee. Question number 16. The right answer is Dadabhai Nauroji. Who wrote the Indian War of Independence? Savarkar, Nehru, Gandhi, Tilak. The name of book, Indian War of Independence, written by. Question number 17. The right answer is A, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Next, question number 18. The cabinet mission came to India in 1942, 1945, 1946, 1947. Cabinet mission. 18. The right answer is 1946. The Khilafat movement was led by Jinnah, Ali brothers, B.R. Ambedkar, Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 19. The right answer is B. Ali brothers. Who gave the concept of drain wealth? Drain of wealth. Gokhale, R.C. Dutt, Dadabhai Nauroji, Tilak. The concept drain of wealth given by Dadabhai Nauroji, was also known as a grandfather of India. The founder of the Indian National Army INA was Subhash Chandra Bose, Ras Bihari Bose, Mohan Singh, Bhagat Singh. Question number 21. The right answer is Indian National Army. The founder of the Indian National Army INA was Subhash Chandra Bose, Ras Bihari Bose, Mohan Singh, then Bhagat Singh. The right answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. The first woman president of INC was Sarojini Naidu, Annie Besant, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Sucheta Kripalani. Question number 22. The right answer is Annie Besant. First woman president of INC, Annie Besant. Next, 23. The Mopla Revolt took place in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka. 23. The right answer is Kerala. Next, 24. The Communal Award 1932 was announced by Ramesh MacDonald, Ramsay MacDonald, Lord Irwin, Lord Linlithgow, Lord Wavell. Communal Award was announced by 24. The right answer is A. Ramsay MacDonald. Next question number 25. Who introduced the dual government system in Bengal? Dual government system in Bengal. Robert Clive, Warren Hastings, Lord Cornwallis, William Bentinck. Dual government system in Bengal. 25. The right answer is A. Robert Clive. Next, 26. The English Education Act 1835 was introduced by Lord Canning, Lord Bentinck, Lord Hastings, Lord Dalhousie. English Education Act of 1835. 26. The right answer is B. Lord Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck. The full name of this Governor General. 27. Who started the Home Rule movement in India? Tilak and Annie Besant, Nehru and Gandhi, Gokhale and Tilak, Subhash and Savarkar. So the right answer is A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Annie Besant. Home Rule League. Home Rule movement in India. Next, the Wavell Plan was presented in Wavell Plan. Which year? 1941, 1945, 1946 and 1940. Question 28. Here the right answer is B, 1945. Next, 29. Who among the following was not a moderate? Not a moderate. Dadabhai Nauroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Lala Lajpat Rai, Surendranath Banerjee. Try to say the right answer. 29. The right answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. So, Dadabhai Nauroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee, they were the moderates, and Lala Lajpat Rai was not a moderate. Next, question number 30, last one. Where was the first session of the Indian National Congress held? First session of the Indian National Congress, INC. First held at Bombay, Calcutta, Allahabad, Madras. So here the right answer is A, Bombay. This is a very important question. So my dear aspirants, these are the total 30 number of questions from modern Indian history. I think all of you understood. So thanks for joining my class.